Shalom, this is Doug with Douglas V Amateur Radio and more. Got a few new things in today, kind of exciting. First is that trusdx, and I'm going to try out a new kind of wire, see how that works. Not the highest quality stuff, it's not normally used PowerWorks, but going to try some new stuff. And got some extension cables for my 891 so that I can not have to take the face off every time I want to take it out into the field. That face. So the trusdx, it's got comes with I got the one that's assembled. It comes with this power cable. I guess my finger there doesn't focus on the power cable, and it doesn't come with the micro USB cord. I just wanted to power it up, test it. But having some fun with it, and I could hear myself a little bit when I tried one of the web SDRs up in Utah. I'll do a longer form video on that one. But you can use it on USB, but I hear it's a lot lower power, which makes sense. A lot of stuff is. And yeah, I did try it on with hooking it up to my shack power, the batteries. I didn't notice much of a difference when on the web SDR, but I did find out that it has a SMA like the Baofengs and such do, and it just uses this adapter to go to BNC. So I'll just probably get an SMA to SO239 adapter, so I can use most of my coax. But I do have some coax that is BNC. I will go to that for the USB for the smaller stuff like this. However, I do have this that I got to use with my HTs that use SMA, so that I can actually use it. But I found out I remembered I had these, so I'll probably be using those to connect to the current coax I have until I get one specifically for BNC. Don't know how I'm going to fit all the coax in my work bag, and I might just check it with my luggage when I travel for work, or just put it in my carry-on suitcase. That's what I bought this for, to go on work trips if I get a chance to do pota. But it's also exciting to be able to have a new gizmo to train with, to add to the toolbox if it's even worth it. But and I did get it already assembled, because right now I'm not that good with it, and I don't want to spend a bunch of money just to practice on. I'll probably get one of those little AM/FM radio kits to play with to get my electronic soldering better. Anyway, this is a quick video of getting this because I'm kind of excited about it and having fun with playing with it. But also I want more tools than just toys, but it's also fun to learn stuff. Shalom, Yahweh bless, and 73.